Hey there, crypto gurus. Welcome back to the channel where we simplify the world of crypto and help you make better decisions. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been blowing up recently: the best crypto copy trading platforms for 2025. If you're looking to trade like a pro without spending hours glued to charts, copy trading might just be your secret weapon. In this video, I'm not just listing platforms. I'll break down the pros and cons, share insights from my own experiences, and help you decide which platform fits your needs. Let's get started. For those new to the game, copy trading lets you mimic the trades of experienced traders automatically. Think of it as trading with training wheels, but with the potential to earn while you learn. It's perfect for beginners and even seasoned traders who want to diversify without the extra workload. Here's my personal top picks for 2025 based on usability, features, fees, and community feedback. Let's analyze these platforms in depth. 1. BingX, best all-round copy trading platform. BingX has been quietly climbing the ranks, and in 2025, it's standing tall as one of the best copy trading platforms out there. It strikes the perfect balance between simplicity, advanced tools, and a thriving trading community. Why BingX? Massive copy trading community. BingX is home to thousands of professional traders you can copy. You'll find detailed performance stats so you can assess the risk and profit potential of each trader. Beginner-friendly interface. Even if you're brand new to crypto, BingX makes it easy to navigate. Low fees. Compared to competitors, BingX keeps fees low for copy trading, which means more profits for you. Advanced features. For those looking to grow, BingX also provides charting tools and futures trading. Drawbacks. While BingX is fantastic, it still doesn't have the global brand presence of bigger names like Binance or Bybit. However, that's changing fast. Pro tip: start small with copy trading on BingX and diversify the traders you follow to minimize risks. 2. Bybit, the pro trader's playground. Bybit has made a name for itself as one of the top exchanges for futures trading, and its copy trading feature is just the icing on the cake. If you're serious about maximizing your gains, Bybit deserves your attention. Why Bybit? Robust copy trading tools. Bybit offers detailed analytics on traders' performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. High liquidity. With excellent liquidity for futures and spot markets, slippage isn't something you'll worry about. Security and reputation. Bybit has a stellar reputation for security and user trust, which is critical when choosing an exchange. Drawbacks. Not beginner-friendly. Unlike BingX, Bybit can feel overwhelming for newcomers due to its complex interface. Limited free features. Some advanced tools require a minimum deposit or subscription. Pro tip: follow traders who have consistent performance over at least 6 months. Avoid those with sudden spikes. They're likely taking risky bets. 3. KuCoin, community-driven trading. KuCoin has long been a favorite for altcoin enthusiasts, but did you know it also has a strong copy trading feature? It's particularly great if you want access to a wide range of tokens while copy trading. Why KuCoin? Wide token selection. With hundreds of cryptocurrencies supported, KuCoin is perfect for diversifying into niche markets. KuCoin Trading Bot. Their automated trading bot is a game-changer for hands-free trading. Low fees. KuCoin offers some of the lowest trading fees in the industry, making it cost-effective for copy trading. Drawbacks. Interface could be improved. While functional, KuCoin's interface isn't as sleek as competitors like Bybit or BingX. Customer support issues. Some users report delays in resolving issues. Pro tip: use the KuCoin trading bot in tandem with copy trading for a fully automated experience. 4. MEXC, a rising star. MEXC is a hidden gem in the crypto trading world. It's not as well known as Binance or Bybit, but it's making waves with its innovative copy trading features and competitive fees. Why MEXC? High leverage options. MEXC is ideal for those who want to trade with leverage while copying top traders. Great altcoin support. Like KuCoin, MEXC offers an extensive range of altcoins. Frequent promotions. From reduced trading fees to bonus rewards, MEXC keeps things exciting. Drawbacks. Smaller community. MEXC's copy trading community isn't as large as BingX or Bybit, which could limit your choices. Learning curve, the platform feels a bit clunky for first-time users. Pro tip: participate in MEXC's promotions to maximize your returns. It's free money if you're active. So which one should you choose? It depends on your goals. If you're a beginner, start with BingX for its simplicity and community. For advanced traders, Bybit offers unmatched tools and liquidity. If you love altcoins, KuCoin and MEXC are your go-to platforms. Personally, I've been using BingX more and more recently. It's just so easy to set up and start earning. Plus, their user-friendly stats on traders make it almost foolproof. Final thoughts. Crypto copy trading is an incredible way to grow your portfolio without the stress of managing every trade. But remember, no platform or trader is perfect. Always diversify, do your research, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights. And if you're ready to start trading, check out the links in the description and comments below to sign up and support the channel. Let me know in the comments which platform you're using or planning to try it. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, happy trading, crypto gurus.